Men, what made you cry lately? I was working 2 jobs, struggling to even make rent, and on the way to my shift one night, I got a call from a random number. I answered and heard a man with a very thick accent say my name. He was crying, and I could barely hear what he was saying. I was confused, but eventually he explained that his 4-year-old son was dying, and they desperately needed a blood donor. I really needed that money, but I called in sick to work right away and drove to the hospital. After I got there, I found out him and his son moved from a different country, and they were the only 2 left in their family. He told me he spent the entire day calling the list of donors. He thanked me repeatedly the entire time, and the doctors told me they appreciated what I was doing, but it was likely the boy would die. 2 months later, I got another call from the same number. He told me that it was his son's birthday, and asked if I could come since they didn't have any other family left. Of course I went, and walked in with a small gift for him. His son saw me, and I've never seen a bigger smile in my life. And his dad told me they now think of me as family since my blood saved his life. I went over, and his son hugged me and told me I was his hero.